Hey guys, so I received this machine a couple days ago. It is a Euro Pro Fast and Easy 420, and it kind of looks like a clone of a maybe a Kenmore 385 or Brother, or something like that. But it's an, I guess you could say, an off-brand. I don't even know what year it's from, but it is a model number 420, and it is quite dirty, so we're going to look at it and see what's inside. The lady that gave it to me said all it was missing was a presser foot, which is easy to do, or easy to change. So let's see. Oh, it's got all this stuff in it. It doesn't even look like it's been opened. Okay, so we got a, I'm not sure what that is. We will see. Maybe it's a buttonhole. I saw that there was a buttonhole attachment. So it takes the classic 15 bobbins. It's got a bar, some thread, and it's a key ring. I don't think that's supposed to be there, but and then we got a, let's see, what else do we have? I think this is a darning plate. A darning plate. You put that over the feed dogs. Oh, here's the buttonhole. I haven't used one yet. Here's a little brush to clean. We'll actually use this. Some needles. A little bit of oil. And then I'm guessing this is a cap to something in here. And then several different feet. I'm just throwing this stuff everywhere, right? I forgot what this is, but it'll come back to me. So it almost looks like somebody bought this and then put a needle in and then said, nope, I don't want to do this. This stuff doesn't even look like it's been used. So I know this is not the best thing to use right now, but I'm just trying to get the dust off. It's not coming off. Well, it's pretty dirty. Looks like it was in a garage, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to see how dull the needle is. I mean, if it's a good needle, why not? Why would you have to change it, you know? Okay, so we have the stitch length here and the bobbin winding mechanism, the hand wheel. You always want to turn that towards you. Hold on, I'm doing this with one hand, so towards you. Oh, hold on. That's kind of different. That's not good. Oh, well, duh. If it's in the bobbin winding, this won't turn. So you got to turn it to sewing, and then it will turn. Had a dumb moment there. So anyway, so then stitch length, tension wheel, tension dial, and then the reverse, and then your different stitch lengths, the buttonhole, and some zigzags. So we're going to open this side up, the faceplate, and see I'm so used to just opening it up, but apparently you got to use a screwdriver to open it. I don't think any of my machines have one that you have to use a screw. Alright, so there. It looks pretty clean. I think it is. What do you think? I got the flashlight, not flashlight, bulb, and then the, looks pretty clean. I will oil it anyway, just because, you know, it's been sitting, but it looks pretty good. So I'm just using Singer sewing machine oil. You can find this at Walmart or online. Okay, so I'm gonna, there's a hole on the top, and I'll show it to you in a second. I'm gonna turn it towards, well, it would be towards me, but since the angle of this machine is the opposite way, I'm gonna turn it that way, just to get it worked through. So you want to put oil. I put too much, so I'm going to wipe that off in a second. Some oil here, and anything that is moving. So when you turn the hand wheel, there's moving parts down there. So you want to put a little tiny drop on those metal parts. So on the back of the machine, this is the take-up lever. And then the needle bar here looks kind of rusty, and then there's a cutter. I think that's a cutter. I don't want to find out, right? But anyway, this looks good. I'm sorry, this is the needle bar. I need to know my anatomy, right? So I'm not going to show you exactly how to thread the machine. That will be in the next video or the video after that, either way. But the bobbin is below. Ooh, it's quite dirty, so I'll be cleaning that. And let's see if there's any thread. Yeah, there's a little bit of thread there. Oops, came out. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand. Alright, so there. I'm actually just going to take it out because, yeah. So that will need to be cleaned. It's not terrible, it's just, you know, this stuff on the bottom. It's gross. Look in the back. That looks okay. Any dust bunnies back there will get taken out. So, and the thread goes here. I'm used to the thread thing being up, but that's okay. So that's just a quick run through of this machine. When I get it all cleaned up, I will do another video on how to thread it and do the bobbin. So look for that video, and thank you for watching.